if your ugly mouth puts you in disgrace.
Hi, I am Miss Nigella Aku 22.
From, of course, my country of Nigeria, with the capital of Abuja, with 36 federal states. And one of the most fluent in English speaking country in Western Africa. And for tonight, even though I am not representing them, I am still a proud member of Strippers Philippines. And I will leave you with this statement, my friends. Even though intelligence begins with I, remember that peace, ugliness, always begins with you. And you don't have to be rich to be my girl. Thank you so much.
Ipis. Patay na naman ang tsakang ipis. Hindi man po ako kasing ganda at kasing photogenic ng ibang mga kandidata, pero mga kaibigan, ako po ay maganda sa personal. At ulitin ko po, para sa aking mga kaibigan na nasa likod, ako po ay maganda. At uulitin ko po at patuloy kong uulitin para kay Miss Nigeria, maganda ako. Good evening, my dear people of Fahrenheit, and good evening to our beautiful judges. My name is Raymarie Evangelista, all the way from the Payas Festival of Lukban, Quezon. And I would like to stand by the name of the beautiful Miss International of the World, ang pinabata at lalong pinagandang Miss Melanie Joey Chong Marquez, 88 years old. And with delay, I'm proud with my age. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na aanhin mo pa ang maraming pera kung mayaman ka na. At naniniwala pa rin po ako sa isa pang kasabihan na aanhin mo ang voluptuous body kung kita lang naman ang mukha mo sa picture ID. And I'm proud to represent my country from Johannesburg, South Superhighway, South Cemetery. Puro kayo South. Ako, actress na... Ako actress na may drama walang kagana-gana. I'm proud to represent myself as Miss Susan South Africa.
Many people say that black is beautiful. But too much black is. Hoy mga loka, wala akong sinasabi ha. Kakaloka kayo, machine gun mo ng bibig niyan. Well, black is beautiful indeed. It transcends and all barriers, races, color, and nationality. But ladies and gentlemen, people of Fahrenheit, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Mayong gabi kayo mga tanan, my name is Thursday Castiglione Zaldiriaga. And I'm proud to represent from the organization of adequate knowledge, proper attitude, and incomparable skills. Kahit hindi pa kami safe register, kahit anong registration meron dyan, we have a good heart to serve, and that makes us a good member in the LGBT community. O siya, wala akong maraming sasabihin kasi naniniwala po ako na ang pagiging beauty queen are less drama queen. It's more on Miss Congeniality. Ato-ato lang ba? Hindi ko ubang kandidata, iyaran yung suliraw sa mga mata mo. Dahil nabagod yung Ate Carla, no? Para sa mga judges, sabi mo Miss Congeniality po ako. And then, secondly, more on social cause. Kaya nga wala akong bokeh, dinudunay ko dun sa mga cancer patients. Kasi beauty queen na, diba? Beauty queen, most of all, world peace. So ito po si Miss Tanzania once again kasi atap na yung... Kanina habang naliligo ako, pinipicturean niya ako, dun pala nilagay sa bangaan niya. Ako yan eh, talbo na kaganon. Well anyway, ito na po masasabi ko sa ibang candidates. Girls, where can your hair take you? Thank you.
Tama na satsap, Miss Tanzania. Wala pa pong kalbong kinoronahan sa Miss Universe. Tama po ba ako? Ako si Briao Tanay! Diri ko nung gimagurusi mukhang gorila si Tanzania. Or should I say, a miraculous evening, people of my beloved Fahrenheit. Standing before you is a 13-year-old stunner 12 years ago. Currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy, major in extra service. For the rich people of the world, Munsters University. I'm proud to say I'm 100% natural and nothing artificial. Meaning to say, walang ritoke, walang pilar, walang female hormones, at higit sa lahat, walang turok ang mukha. Totoo po lahat ng nakikita nyo. Kahit maliit po ang ilong ko, sabi ng nanay ko, maganda po ako. At naghalukay pa po ako ng mga kasabayan mula sa baul ni Aling Nena. Ang titing maitim, malamang nag-sunbathing. Ang titing mapayat, tsak puyat. Ang titing may diabetes, ayun na yung matamis. Ang titing kulugot, galing kay Miss Philippines. Ang titing may bakterya, galing kay Nigeria. Ang titing may itim, oops, aking kuya. into Metro of LGBT community, Trippers Philippines, and my new home, Juan Bacardi! May pahabol pa po. Nag-text si Miss China, hindi yata nasabi kanina. Oh, pungsui po tayo. Unlucky color, yellow gold. Unlucky country, Tanzania. Thank you so much and enjoy the night. Thank you.
Indeed, in a prestigious competition such as F Universe 2013, it doesn't matter how big or how colorful your costume is, for as long as you depict the true color of the heritage you are representing, all the way with elegance, you'll definitely stand out, because tonight is not just about a celebration of femininity, it's taking the courage, showcasing one's totality. A spectacular evening to each and every one. My name is Paula Marie Montenegro Granada, a fresh 20 years of age from the hometown of the most beautiful and amazing goddess in the Philippines, Mandaluyong. A cum laude graduate at the Far Eastern University, took up BS Mass Communications, major in broadcasting. And let me just end this with a simple phrase. If you're beautiful, flaunt it, show it. Mamatay sila sa inggit. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mary Belen Borges, 25 from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. And I believe that if the fiery Norwegian will turn to dust, let our friendship will never last. Tanggaling din po ako sa Trippers Philippines from G7. And I'm proud to represent, ayoko ng mabagal, believe!
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Paraway, ang iyong tagumpay sa akin nakasalalay. Bilis! And I'm your Miss Mexico, cute Caseco. Good evening, Fahrenheit. My name is Pam Alejandro Ortega, 2 years old. 20 years ago. A proud member of Juan Bacardi and Trippers Philippines! Representing Viva Mexico. Thank you.